Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Rumi.
Hello guys, mumeze neza? Show irimo white people in the show. Wallahi, this show is on the app. This show is going viral in the city. Protocol. Would you mind Wamari micro? Protocol, your microphone. Let's chop it up. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
You're good.
Yes, very good.
I'm fucking good too. Wait. Yeah, the accent is going to change. Let's chop it up for a while. Where are you from?
I'm from Texas, in the United States.
Wow, that's great, cuz. Let's change the accent. I'm going to be a gangster right now. No problem, right?
All right.
Are you getting some joke?
Yeah.
You're getting some jokes from our local language. How long have you been in this country?
About 7 months now.
7 months. Do you know Uruchero? No. Are you sure? Do you know Lumaga?
Nothing.
No. Oh, no problem, cuz. Let's chop up. We're going to speak English right now. I don't mind these people, right? You're going to laugh right now. I like white people. You white or you light skin?
White skin.
Come on, man. Let's have conversation, right? No problem. Your skin, light skin, white.
White.
White. Your name?
My name's Jeremiah.
I'm the organizer of this show. They're laughing because I own this show. I'm the one who invite people on the stage. So I'm going to crack one joke for you because I know other jokes you're not going to get them 100%, right? I like white people. You know, Africans, one thing about Africans, when it comes to love, they are very complicated. But white people, when you're complimenting a white person, right? That's easy, man. It's be easier. You look handsome, you're beautiful. But when it comes to Africans, when you don't exaggerate, bravados, you don't like it. You gotta be, man, you're my sunshine. I cannot live without you. So I'm going to switch to my local language, because, man, I know some of you guys, I gotta be racist right now, man. I'm going to use Kinyarwanda. If you don't know, you know Obuchi? No. But be comfortable. I'm going to mix language, all right? I know some of you guys. Some of you guys. Hari igihe tuba tuzavuga icyongereza nk'abanyarwanda ngo ntabwo bashobora cracking a joke. Ahubwo nuko mwebwe ubwanyu ntabwo mwemera ko du cracking a jokes. How are you doing? Meze mutesi. Rusine yaje muri show. Abade Genzi. Abafana ba Genzi musigaye mudukunda. Nje kuri Spilo. Noneho umuntu n'umuntu uje mu ntabwo ngo Rumi ngo musaza ngo dutwika. Ntabwo yengeye gukora. Mane ko Spilo moto igenda ukagira irungu umusaza. Iriya moto muyigiyeho Kigali Rubavu mwasinzira we n'umushoferi. Urumva ikiganiro ukuntu kiba kimeze muganira nk'ibisanzwe. Mota ibintu urabibona utese. Sha ibintu byarakomeye umusaza nawe. Sha essence ariko ngo numvise ntago mwirushya. Ya ndini mu ya mota none se. Bye byarageze gute? Gwangu nanjye ntago mbizi nk'ikiri iki. Haza ibintu byo gukomplika. Rusine ndashaka kumubaza atari ibintu by'amafaranga we iriya moto arayikunda. Hataje ibintu byo kwamaza bisanzwe. Iriya moto warayikunda. Musabwa. Meze bitese. Mbabaruze kuri stage gata. I beg you. Bori. I beg you, bro. Reka dukore no brag. Tujye gukora brag nge nawe. Musabwa niwe uririmba za ndirimbo barimbira akarimbo kamwe kuri status juri. Please, I beg you. I beg you, bro, please. Don't treat me like that, bro. Agufite swaga. Hema korona kantu ka confidence umesukunu. Wasanez. Oya mbabarira kugira ngo bakumenye urumva ntago abantu bose bakuzi.
Ndirimba nafashijwe mwana ntago ari baba.
Mugure akabyeri. Oya. Musabwa, yemera koko. Oya. Musabwa. Ako nta kibazo. Urumva ndashaka gukora blague. Basi one person. Reka nsaba umuntu umwe yamfashe gukora blague y'abadiyakoni. Ndashaka dukora blague y'abadiyakoni bo mu rusengero. Zaba, ngura nawe ibyanga ubwo wenda sizi. Nawe byanga. Zaba, please, I beg you, bro. No. Someone, please. Hayize umuntu umfashe. Umukozi wanjye. Reka nta kibazo umuntu, reka nshyiremo amafaranga. Someone take. Merci, mfashe. Uraza kuyansubiza ntabwo nabyemera. Urabona tujye gukora blague.
Uyu mutipe ni hosting isho reka nyaryeho.
Tujye gukora blague yo mu rusengero. Oya nta kibazo ndaza kuyagura.
Oya nawe ndakwizeye nundi nanjye mba ndi bukwishyire. Nta kibazo. We ntugire ikibazo cy'amafaranga. Dukora akazi tu.
Reka dukora akazi.
N'amafaranga yo ntago twayapfara.
Ndumva nabahamagara mwese mukanga.
Oya nta kibazo twikorere.
Reka dukora blague. Urabona mu rusengero abadiyakoni abantu bajya gusenga. Habamo ibyiciro bitatu, alright? Hari abantu baza gutura, babaza mu rusengero bisanzwe bicara nk'ari inyuma, baza mu rusengero. Batajya batura batagize icyo bica, nicyo bakize. Yego. Hari n'abandi noneho baza mu rusengero bakagira amafaranga make y'abatura, ariko nyine umudiyakoni akaba bazi ko nabo biri aho ngaho. Noneho n'abandi bantu baza mu rusengero kabisa batura bazwi,
bafite intebe zabo zihoraho zihumura. Ndashaka noneho usa nguturuka hasi mwereke. Iyo yinjiye umuntu utagitura bisanzwe mu rusengero, umudiyakoni ntabwo ajya kwakira, akwereka aho wicara, aragira gutya ngo ukaza ukicara mu rusengero. Noneho wa muntu utanga amafaranga makeya, no blague shaka utaza gukora barihangana. Noneho wa muntu utanga amafaranga makeya, urumva diyakoni urumva asa nk'ukwegera, ariko ntabwo nagakwegera, agira gutya akwereka ahantu wicara. Iyi blague ntabwo zibyaye. Sirare. Noneho wa muntu utanga amafaranga menshi, urumva ngenda gusanga aho ushaka kuza se, ngenda kwisangira aho. Merci. Urongera handi.
Merci. Iyi blague urashaka kwica kugira ngo idakora mu bintu. Hari ibintu by'ibishyari nabibonye. Nagusubizaho nkizanira undi muntu. Nidakora kwanza ndayigushyiraho. Noneho wa muntu utanga amafaranga menshi, urumva niyo tugiye kwakira. Oya reba hano. Merci.
Nanjye gufunga imodoka.
Banza funga. Wa muntu utanga amafaranga menshi niyo bagiye kwakira, ndengusanga aho ngaho. Guys, my name is Rumi.
Kabukinga hongera inyana ubwatsi, kabukinga